Hey, this is Rich from HouseBrands.com. Our family renovates houses, and last week we got a pretty big snowstorm. We got about 10 inches of snow. When I'm working outside, I have these really awesome insulated gloves, and they can keep me warm in just about any temperature. As a matter of fact, they even have negative 30 degrees on them, so they claim good up to 30 below. So as I'm working away outside, what happens though, inevitably, I start perspiring and then the inside of my gloves get soaking wet. The real issue is that the fingers of the gloves get wet. And so it's very hard to dry those out. So the problem is if you just let your gloves dry overnight, you just kind of lay them somewhere, the air doesn't really get in there to dry the glove out. Now you can put them in your dryer, but in the past, I've had gloves kind of shrink a bit when they've been in a dryer. So this hack we have is super simple. All you got to do is go into a warm room and get a couple of bottles. Then you're going to take your nice insulated gloves that are now soaking wet inside, and you just place them on the bottles. All right, so what's going to happen is overnight, the warm air, because you've got the bottle in here, the warm air is got a way to get in. It's because the neck of the bottle is opening up a passageway, and it's letting warm air go in and circulate all the way into the fingertips. And by the next day, your gloves should be absolutely dry. The next time you're working hard outside and your gloves are all soaking wet, give this bottle trick a try, and more than likely your gloves will be nice and dry in the morning. If that isn't quick enough for you, we made another video where we actually have this, it's called a boot dryer, but it works on hats, boots, and gloves, and we'll put a link to that video right here. There we go, completely dry.
Hey guys, you guys want some carrots? You give it to Joe.
Hopefully this glove drying hack will work for you and you'll stay nice and warm through the rest of the winter. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks so much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.